Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 6 Best Commercial Refrigerator in 2024.
Top 1.
Commercial refrigerator cooler, ideal for commercial businesses or convenience stores. Our upright beverage cooler can be used for storing beer bottles, soda cans, energy drinks, sports and fitness beverages. Double pane tempered glass. The KoolMore Merchandiser refrigerator utilizes premium grade glass to help eliminate condensation and maintain internal cabinet temperatures, which helps maintain glass clarity. Adjustable temperature control. Utilizing a simple turn dial, our beverage cooler can be adjusted from 1 to 7 based on the contents inside to ensure optimal coldness without freezing liquids. A smart choice for drinks, foods, or other items.
Top 2.
KoolMore 29 Stainless Steel Solid Door Commercial Reach-In Refrigerator. Reach-In refrigerator. This beautiful one-door commercial refrigerator will keep things cool and organized in your kitchen, cafe, or bakery. A reach-in cooler that enables you to reach culinary success. Sleek, shiny, easy to clean, crafted of high-quality stainless steel, the KoolMore single-door commercial cooler looks great and is easy to clean. Top-level craftsmanship makes this a durable unit. Space-saving plus spacious. A spacious interior for maximum storage is maximized economically, not to crowd your kitchen space. The 4 pre-installed casters and brakes make it portable and easy to move.
Top 3.
BODEGACOOLER Back Bar Cooler with 2 glass doors. Counter height beverage refrigerator. 7.4 cu.ft commercial display bar fridge with LED lighting. 7.4 cu.ft commercial back bar cooler. Size 20.87 dx 35.43 w x 35.24 h. This bar refrigerator, temperature range 32 degree F 50 degree F, is perfect for commercial display fridge use. Intelligent thermostat will maintain the interior at the ideal temperature. Under counter for nightclubs, pub, home, kitchen. Perfect display fridge with interior lights make beverage attracted to your customer. This beverage refrigerator with 2 glass doors can be used for a lot of events such as watching soccer, race, party, drinking. Commercial counter display fridge. This self-closing beverage bar cooler with 4 sturdy adjustable shelves is capable of holding up to 216 cans or 62 bottles beer, wine.
Top 4.
Hinter CBM 815 WS Freestanding 8.1 cu foot stainless steel merchandiser super lit door and lock white commercial beverage refrigerator. Capacity 81 cu foot 231 standard 12 ounces can, freestanding installation, proper clearance required. Digital temperature control with temperature range 34 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Fahrenheit / 1 degree Celsius, 6 degrees Celsius, refrigerant. Super light door lighting strip with energy-efficient LED soft white light bulbs, cylinder lock and 2 keys. 5 full slide-out chrome wire shelves, tempered double-pane gray smoked glass for enhanced UV protection. Internal fan forced circulation for even temperature distribution throughout the cabinet, Fahrenheit and Celsius degree temperature indicators.
Top 5.
Commercial beverage refrigerator display fridge tall slim single glass door merchandiser drink cooler with LED light adjustable shelves ETL and NSF approval. Warranty and approval and versatile uses. We get ETL and NSF approval and we provide 3 years compressor warranty, 2 years full part warranty. You can use this display refrigerator to store your freshly made foods such as milk, eggs, vegetables, and beverages or beers in any indoor environment, a restaurant, cafe, bakery, bar, grocery store, or even your garage. Digital temperature display and customized light box. The digital temperature display and controls make monitoring and adjusting the temperature from 2.8 to 8.3 degrees Celsius, or 37 to 47 degrees Fahrenheit, simple. The picture of the light box can be customized. You can customize the pattern and logo according to your business or life needs, and the built-in LED light can show your products better.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.